So hey, today we're going to the beach. It's gonna be lit. So we have a bag full of like Gatorade and sunscreen and towels and stuff, and then we have other stuff. So it's gonna be pretty lit. Are you ready to go to the beach? You ready? Are you ready? Come on, let's go. Cake by the beach.
I think you need to play your thing, Kelly.
You want to be in my video?
No. Oh.
Alright, press record, Mom, and we can say we're going to the beach and I'll take it back.
Okay.
The red button.
Can you press record? You gotta get in it. You're on the beach with us.
Hey. Sadie, are you excited? Okay, so I'll record on the way. Right now we're at McDonald's. We made it to Galveston. Yeah. And we're gonna go to the bathroom and get some food. Yep. So we'll check in when we get our food. Okay, so we got our food.
Got the fries over here.
And we're almost here. And I'll turn it around so you can see. People are watching.
There's a lot of people there.
There's the store we stop at and stuff. So yeah. Oh, we're on the beach, and it's pretty lit. It's pretty cold. It's a little chilly. There's a bee. Child, quiet. So we're just gonna hang out, and like I said, it's really cold. But I got a sweatshirt, so it's all good. Can I help you? I only fed my one friend over there.
I only said my one friend over there.
Mom! So we're leaving the beach. Was it eventful? It was. So, yeah. I got dragged across the sand. There was bees chasing us. Birds almost attacked us. So yeah, it was pretty fun though. Yeah, we went to Wings and got some prizes, so I'll show you that. Ray's got this tank top. So I got this shirt that says Galveston Tech shirt, and it's a long sleeve shirt. Did you have fun at the beach? Dragging me across the sand. This is the aftermath of getting dragged across the sand. It was pretty lit. Wasn't it, Sam? Okay, so we're home from the beach. This is my shirt that I got. It's really comfy, so. Anyways, I haven't filmed in a while because on the way home from the beach, yeah, I think I filmed on the way home, but we got in a car accident on the way back. So, yeah, I was just so busy I couldn't film, but I'll insert pictures. This truck came up and hit us, and we went flying over to the right, and then his truck, you know, turned and spinned on the highway and hit another car. So I'll put the pictures in. Luckily no one was hurt, but it was still very scary. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up and subscribe.